Recently, a TikToker, whom we'll call Mr. Netta, visited Jamaica with his companion, Charles, and stayed at a resort in Montego Bay. Like many visitors, he shared his experience online, but one of his videos stirred controversy. In the video, after returning to the US, Mr. Netta expressed his dislike for Jamaican food, calling it nasty. His comment quickly ignited a backlash from Jamaicans. We take great pride in our vibrant and flavorful cuisine. Jamaican dishes like jerk chicken, ackee, and saltfish, and patties are internationally recognized and beloved. So when someone, especially a foreign visitor, dismisses the food in such a harsh way, it's bound to provoke strong reactions. Many Jamaicans flooded the comment section of his video, expressing their frustration and defending our culture's culinary traditions. After facing the backlash, Mr. Netta made a follow-up video, attempting to clarify his statement. He said that his criticism was directed specifically at the food served at the resort where he stayed, not Jamaican food as a whole. However, in that same video, he also mentioned that Jamaica's generic KFC wasn't good, adding more fuel to the fire. Given how much Jamaicans love our local KFC, which is often regarded as superior to the versions found elsewhere, this comment didn't sit well with many. As with any cuisine, the taste of Jamaican food is subjective. Not everyone will love every dish, and that's perfectly okay. Even within Jamaica, there's diversity in preferences. Some Jamaicans might not enjoy certain traditional dishes, like oxtail, while others might love it. It's part of the beauty of food. Everyone's palate is different. However, there's a line between personal dislike and disrespect. Criticizing food by saying you don't like it is one thing, but calling it nasty feels disrespectful, especially when it's a national cuisine that people hold dear. For Jamaicans, food is not just about sustenance. It's a core part of our culture and identity. When a visitor dismisses it with such a negative word, it can feel like a personal attack, not just on the food, but on the culture itself. Mr. Netta's experience is a reminder of the importance of cultural sensitivity, especially when discussing something as central to a nation's identity as its food. Expressing a dislike for a dish is natural, but it's important to be mindful of how that dislike is communicated. There's always a way to share opinions respectfully. Saying the food wasn't to my taste can be received much more kindly than calling it nasty.